So what is up guys, Trevor Works Northside exclusive here. So right now we are here in Ayala, Alabang Village. And as you can see, we go here for our another project, which is this Mustang GT500. So nasa Shelby siya guys, as you can see. So for a better catch up, ito yung ginawa namin. This is our newly installed livery decals in champagne silver, which is siya yung pinaka, let's say, top selling naming product and color variation. So hindi mga nakakaalam, si Mick Ang, which is siya rin yung owner nung GT86 na ginawa natin before, and ito na yung GT86. So ayun nga guys, for a quick review, kung makikita nyo, be assure na lahat ng components ay magpi-fit dun sa sticker to avoid peeling. And gayon din dito sa mga side corners, which is ayan yung pinaka, let's say, prone sa damage. Kaya ang ginawa namin is we really intact it in the center so that maiwasan yung mga prones like hazardous thing na mangyari sa decals natin. And as you can see here, on these corners, we really like put effort na i-base siya dito sa shape ng car para kung sakaling i-car wash man siya, hindi siya maapektuhan, which is yung makakapag-ano rin ng gas. So on the other side, so mostly sa mga ibang car wrap or car decal sa manufacturer, kapag nakita nila yung part na to, sobrang iniiwasan nilang i-cut, tinatak na lang nila, which is ang pangit nung nagiging itsura. Pero sa amin is we really follow the circular pattern of this gas fuel. Then ayun, here, kita nga, ito yung kinalabasan ng project. So ayun, for everyone who wanted na magkaroon ng custom livery decals nila, custom works, custom design para sa sports car, especially dun sa mga gustong sumali ng car show, just contact our sales team today, especially my partner, you can contact her for your scheduling and appointments. And we work for like any part of Luzon. Oh! Grabe na bro. Hindi ako sa upuan, grabe.